guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the winter BREO box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the winter 2025 BREO box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is in the winter box. First off, this box is actually a lot smaller than we normally get, so we must have smaller products inside. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. You open it up like this. When you open it up, it says, "You deserve this." All of their products always come down in a duster bag. Ooh, this is an extremely small duster bag this time. Normally, I tell you guys, I save them for like laundry bags, or like if family comes over and there's stuff for them to take home, I can toss stuff in there, pull it tight, and here you go. Take your little sack home. This one is a little smaller, so I'm not quite sure what I would use this one for. However, their duster bags are always reusable if you have another purpose that you can use them for. So let me grab the card. Here is the card that goes over. Oh, and it actually does tell us at a glance now on the back, and it has the pricing. So if you don't do the digital thing here, you can at least have the pricing at a glance. So that's actually a great little new thing. Normally it was a rate your box on one side and see your box the other. So I like that they revamped their little brochure. So let me go ahead and scan the QR code so we can go over the items when I pull them out. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out was one of their spoilers that I saw, and it is the original Rubik's, like a Rubik's Cube, but this one looks like it's like high tech where you can somehow attach it to like a smartphone with an app or something. I'm not sure. Let's find, oh, and it's the first one on the list. Yay, so I don't have no spoilers. So this one right here says Rubik's Connected Pro, valued for $49. Experience the iconic Rubik's Cube reimagined for the digital age. The Rubik's Connected Pro pairs with an app to track your solves, teach advanced algorithm, and compete with players worldwide. Smart sensors and real-time tracking make this the ultimate puzzle for both casual solvers and speed cubers. Okay, it is connected by Bluetooth, syncs instantly with the app, step-by-step learning systems, live stats and progress tracking, completely globally, join online battles, tournaments, and leaderboards. Smooth pro level tuning designed for precision, speed, and endless satisfying solves. Me personally, I've never been one to get into a Rubik's Cube, even like the normal standard ones, which I'm sure most kids always had in their bedrooms growing up. I really wasn't a Rubik's Cube fan, so I'm not sure if I will use this as a gift for maybe like one of the kids or something, or if I want to just have it out so the kids can play with it when they're here. But I don't think I would personally put this to an app. I have way too many apps on my phone. I'm not trying to download any other apps and have other things communicate and take up my data and all of that. So I wouldn't use the app feature, but I don't know yet what I'll do. I'll check with my man if he wants to use this as a gift or keep it for when the kids come over if they want to play with it. Normally they go outside, play golf. They bring their own little like things there. They entertain themselves normally, but I do have a little shelf with like games and stuff, so I don't know what I'll do with that just yet, but $49 value for that one right there. So item number one. Now let's go with number two. It says it's an HOTO self-locking measuring tape. This one here says it is a $20 retail value. This isn't your average tape measure. Its self-locking tape measure develops smooth pull-out automatic locking and one-handed retract control. With a durable shell and precise metric improvement marks, it's the perfect upgrade for everyday tasks, DIY projects, and home improvements. I'll show you what this looks like. I honestly, me personally, and I know everybody's situations are different, me personally, I have tape measures growing out my ass over here. Like, we have tape measures in every single drawer. We have, I mean, I have like 3 of them in my craft drawer right in front of me. I know I have tape measures everywhere, and I have the good little auto locking ones because I know my man has a million of them as well. The garage is filled with them. His van is filled with them. We have tape measures all over the place. So here's another tape measure, but looks like a tape measure. It's a tape measure. So again, valued for $20. Amber motion sensor anti-blue LED night light. This one here says it values for $35. Now, this would be a cool idea in my bathroom, but if you follow me, you know my man is a huge stickler on electricity. So I can't even have like, if I have one that has like the different plugs and stuff, I have to have it turned off because he doesn't want it constantly drawing electricity. So even though this won't come on unless it's motion censored, it's still drawing electricity because it's still waiting for it to see somebody. You know what I mean? So I know if I plug this in the bathroom within a day or 2, it's going to be unplugged sitting on the counter, never to be plugged in again. So I will see if like one of his sisters or his mom or something would like this in a plug in their house, because it's a great concept. It wouldn't be used in my house because of my man. I already know. I've been there, done that with too many different products already. I've had lights plugged in. I've had plugins plugged in. They all get unplugged. They all get unplugged. That's not a battle worth fighting anymore. I'm done. So this won't be used in my house, but hopefully it will be used in somebody else's house. So this is what it looks like. And it has a little sensor there. And I do like that it's anti-blue light. So it's not going to be super, super bright, that kind of thing. It's designed with warm amber LEDs and built-in motion detection. It gently illuminates your path without disturbing melatonin production or sleep. Ideal for hallways, bathrooms, and bedrooms, this light provides hand-free visibility while helping protect your rhythm. On the back, you do have like a dimmer switch, so you can have it from a dim to a brighter setting. And then on the top, you have an off, on, and an auto. Again, that's a great concept. It's just not a battle I'm gonna fight. So this is valued for $35. Now we have is a speaker. We did get a speaker in a box maybe like a year or 2 ago. It says Pebble Pro Bluetooth speaker valued for $40. Built to go wherever life takes you. It is rugged, ultra portable Bluetooth speaker, and it's all about adventure with its 100% waterproof shell, built-in magnet for versatile mounting, and durable design. It's perfect for outdoor fun from bike rides to beach days. Pair 2 for stereo sound, drop in a micro SD card for offline playback, or clip it in with the carabiner for hands-free listening. I do like that it's waterproof. The other one that we got, it was not waterproof. So this one you can take outside. I'll see if maybe my man wants to attach this with the carabiner to like his golf bag. So when he's out golfing, he can hear the radio, hear it, you know what I mean? And then if it does start raining like it does, he'll be okay because it's waterproof. Another thing that we have a lot of is these speakers. I get them in boxes. We've gotten them from gifts. I've bought them myself. I have so many portable speakers. That's why I said, I'll see if my man wants to put it in his golf bag. If not, we'll use it as a gift item for somebody else because I have Bluetooth speakers all over the place. And I have a waterproof one that I bring into the shower with me all the time, and it sits on its own. So I personally wouldn't use this, so I'll find somebody who will. This is a HOTO, the same brand as this tape measure. It's a wand cordless spin scrubber, 12-piece ultimate kit, cleaning master for every nook and cranny. This one here, it says it's valued for $60. I actually bought one off of Amazon that I use to clean my floor and my shower, and it has a long extended pole with all the different attachments. It does show on the side that it's good for faucets, kitchen, like things on your stove, which I don't have that type of a stove, but it has wheels for deeper cleaning. So maybe I'll just put this with like my car cleaning kit and use it to clean my wheels on my car, because I don't think I would use this in the shower since I use the other one that I already have, because I can use it for my floor, my shower, my tub, like I can use it for everything. Let me open this and we can see how it looks on the inside. And this is the little thing, it's so tiny. It looks like a toothbrush, like an electric toothbrush. And that is what this looks like to me. All right, let's see if you are already charged up. You are, and it sounds like an electric toothbrush. So that part spins. You have two settings, like a high and a low, by just pressing this button here. And this hold a long press on and off. You have this bag to keep your little doodads in, the little attachments in. And here's an overview of everything that is included inside of the box. You have your charger and all of these different attachments with the device. And all of the attachments have this little magnet on the back, and they just go right on just like that. They magnetically just attach. So yeah, I mean, even this one might even be good on my glass stovetop to get it clean. So I'll probably use this just for like smaller jobs, but definitely probably for my car. I think that would be a good idea. So what a great time to put this bad boy to use, because I actually needed to wash my car. So it did get into all of the little areas here on my wheels. It got into the lug nuts and everything really good. It didn't come off, like the head did not come off of my first wheel. However, when I got to the second wheel, it kept coming off and I had to retrieve it several times from inside of my wheel well. Okay, so I was wondering why the head just kept coming off. The little magnet thing that it's attached to right there, it came off from the attachment. So I'm gonna have to just stick my fingernail in there, try to pull that off, and just put another attachment on. And I was able to get that piece out. I will glue it back on so I can use that head attachment again. It's just a little disappointing that it's already falling apart off my first time using it. So here it is, already charged up, ready to go. You have a small little scrubber. $60 though for this little guy. Whew. There is that, and that is the last and final thing for the winter box. So quick recap, you have this scrubber with the different attachments. You have a tape measure, you have a night light, you have a portable speaker, and a Rubik's Cube. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for the December 2025 box. I'm a little confused, and I'm going to tell you why, because I'm always honest with you guys. If I was spending $170 for this box, I would be a little like, because most of all of this stuff, I personally wouldn't be using, because I either already have the product, I'm already using something else, or it's just not my forte. Normally with this box, I always tell you guys, this is the high-tech gadgets that you never knew you needed. But this time I kind of feel like it's stuff that everybody already has. People already have a tape measure, a night light, a scrubber, a speaker. The only thing that's different is this, but that's if you're into the Rubik's Cube and if you want to play on the app and all of that. So this is like for different targeted, like a specific targeted person, I would think. Or you can use it as a gift idea. But I'm used to this box having like great, amazing new products that you never knew you needed. It just seems like I'm seeing a little bit more repeated items lately. So if you've never gotten a box before, that would be great. But if you've already received them, that's when I'm like, again, I'm just being honest and giving you my own opinion here. That's all I do on this channel. So again, I just know most people have this stuff already in their house. I don't even really see like a winter theme for once, which normally I do. So I'm just a little confused, but again, it's all up to what you guys think. This is just my own opinion, but let me know how you feel down below. Do you feel the same as me, that it kind of seems like they missed the mark this season? Or do you absolutely love this box and everything inside? Everybody is different. Everybody has their own opinion. So let me know what you think down below. If you would like some information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have a code, which is SHE15, which would save you $15 off your first box. I do see, however, they have a better discount on their site, which let me go to Oh, and it looks like they do not have the 2 different options anymore. They used to have like a light version that was cheaper with a few of the products, and then the full size box. It looks like now they're only doing the full size box. So they have a code that says Xmas gift. Get a free $100 mystery bundle with your first box, making your first box worth over $300. So you'll have a free $100 mystery box, or you can get $35 off a BREO box using Jolly 35. So you can do a seasonal plan box per box. You can cancel at any time. That is $169 billed quarterly. You get free shipping, and these boxes sometimes are really heavy, and so it's free shipping, which I love that because some of them can get heavy. I even mailed something to California. It wasn't even that heavy, and it was like $45. It wasn't even that big. These boxes are even bigger. So free shipping is included in that price. I always have to remember that as well. It's an expensive box, but free shipping's included. And you have partial customization. I still don't know what that is because I'm not a normal user, so I don't know what can be customized and what cannot, but it does say that there is a partial customization for the seasonal box. The annual box would bring your box price down to $149.75. But again, you can use their code. Their link will be down below if you would like to check them out. You get earlier shipping, product surveys, and you get to save the money with the annual membership. So you have those 2 different options. SheCrafty will save you 15 off, but again, they have a better code if you would like to use that, but they will be listed in the description box if you would like to take a look at them. Again, let me know what you thought. Do you think they missed the mark, or do you think they hit it right on the nose? Like, let me know your thoughts in the description box down below. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this video. Again, don't forget to comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.